Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today I'm going to be reviewing a box that I have never gotten before, and this is the LitJoy crate, magical subscription, Magical Alley. Thank you so much LitJoy for sending me this box. Normally I don't really go over the actual box that holds the contents of the subscription boxes, but look at this. This is such a cool looking box. It has so many different things. You can see here, there's potions over here, Emertentia and Polyjuice potion. There's a golden snitch over here. There's so many little things for you to find. Obviously Harry and Hagrid, but then, yeah, just so many different things. And over here we have Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. And this is just such a cool designed, a very smartly designed box, and it just looks great. And on the bottom we have Nocturne Alley. The packaging is so cool. I've never gotten a subscription box that actually had this kind of packaging. I've gotten them that are pretty cool, like there was one that looked like an actual crate, and I mean, but most of the time, you know, it's just cardboard, but this, I mean, it is cardboard, but you know what I mean. So yeah, this is just a really cool design. So I'm gonna just stop going over the box itself and let's take a look inside and see what we have. I am so surprised that I got this in the mail, so very excited to see what's inside. Okay, so we have, what's this? This is a little bag full of air. We have, what is this? LitJoy Crate exclusive. It says that right on the can. It is a LitJoy Crate exclusive. And this says ice cream inspired flavors, chocolate raspberry, 7 tea bags. So this is a can of tea bags, and it looks like something that actually just came right out of Honeydukes, just with the colors and stuff, you know, the pink and the darker pink stripes and stuff in there. The only thing it would need is blue or kind of a teal, you know, to finish that up. But here, let's take a look inside here and see what these tea bags look like. Okay, so they are just little tea bags, yeah. And they smell really good. That is definitely chocolate raspberry. That smells great. And the bags that they come in, I mean, these are not, these aren't paper bags. These are actual, like, little mesh bags. This is not a cheap product. I will say that. They did not cut corners with this product. Let's go ahead and move along. Oh my gosh, I think I see a wand. I'm gonna save that one for last. So let's see what this is. This is Magical Menagerie. Let's see. Congratulations on your new pet. Okay, so this apparently is a pet of some kind. I haven't opened it up yet. Take good care of it and keep a close eye on it at all times. Magical Menagerie is not responsible for any cases of animagi. So let's open this up and see what pet we got. Oh, it's like a little toad. That's cute. Look, it's like a little toad. I like that. I'll definitely like put this up on my shelf or something, but yeah, it's a little brown toad. If I were a wizard and I was going to Hogwarts, my animal would definitely be a toad. I know owls are cool, cats are cool, but man, I would get a toad for sure. All right, anything else in there? Nope. Okay, cool. So we got a toad. Let's see what else we have in here. I see a little green bag. This little green bag looks interesting. Is this money to spend at your... Oh, it says Alohomora unlocking charm. It has the wand motion for Alohomora on the back, and on the front it says Alohomora on it. I don't know. I think this is just like a commemorative thing. I don't think this is actual, like, supposed to be any kind of replica or anything. So yeah, this is just a really cool little Alohomora key. Sorry, not key. Alohomora I saw the keyhole. But yeah, it's like a little coin. I'll probably put it up with my galleons and stuff over on my shelf. So let's continue, and there is a pin here. And actually, it's 2 pins. Let's get it out of the plastic so you guys can see it better. Here we go. As you can see, one is for Diagon Alley, and the other is for Nocturne Alley. These pins I really like. I just like the simplicity and how they look like the actual signs. Pretty cool. I like them. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Another little box. This I just want to stop here and say that this LitJoy crate has been really fun to open. Every little thing is packaged nicely, and it's just kind of, it's been pretty exciting to open this. So this is Madame Primpernell's Plum Bloom Perfume. So I'm assuming we have a perfume bottle in here. Whoops, oh, I hope I didn't break that. That was loud. Ooh, I'll open that in a sec. I think that's supposed to be the lid. This is a neat little bottle. And it does look like a little magical perfume bottle, doesn't it? That looks so neat. And now we're gonna have to see what was in that little paper. Oh, I hope I didn't break it. I'm guessing this kind of goes in the top. Yeah, this goes in the top. And I didn't break it. Wonderful. So this goes right here, and that makes it, that like completes it. That looks so good. But yeah, this is for sure going on my potion shelf. So far, I feel like it's gonna be really difficult for me to pick any kind of favorites here because they're all so cool. Here's another, it's a pin, but it looks like a name tag. Weasley's Wizard Wheez's staff. That's cool. So, I mean, obviously you pin this on your shirt. It would have been nice if it was a magnet, but that's just nitpicking. This box is awesome, but it would have been nice if it was a magnet so you wouldn't have to, like, you know, put a hole in your shirt, but still, that's cool. I like that it's a name tag, that it's something that you can actually, I mean, you won't really use it, but it's something that looks like it would have actually maybe come from the Wizarding World. Here's another one, Owl Emporium. Oh, Ilops Owl Emporium. What could be in a little box like this from the Owl Emporium? Let's see, I don't want to hurt the packaging because it looks so nice. I think it opens up from this side. Yes, it does. Here we go. And wow, that is quality. Whoa, what is this? Nothing else in there. No instructions. Is this like it's like a pinwheel or something? Whoa. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this together and see what it looks like, but I think this is gonna be really cool. It looks like it might be a little, and it's magnetized, so it just kind of like sits there. And then it looks like you hang owls from around this. And LitJoy, this, I don't even know what to say about this. This is so cool. Okay, here, let's see. And it looks like, I don't know, it looks like something that might be in Dumbledore's study. You know, like he has all those strange contraptions. So there we go. We have this Ilops Owl Emporium base plate, basically, and then you have this piece which magnetizes onto it. Pretty much you can put that anywhere you want, and then it has this little mobile type thing with owls on it. That is, I'm actually blown away by the quality of products so far in this box. Oh my God. This box is like going for it. They're not playing games. They are in it to win it. So let's see what, this is definitely a wand. I will say that. I know that this is definitely a wand. It says Ollivanders on it. It has gold foil on the box. And the box is magnetized right here. It opens up, and it's not a very big wand. It looks like a kind of a short wand. But let's take a look. Wow, that's really good quality and really cool. The only criticism is the length of the wand. Just check out that little gem or marble at the base of the wand. That is just so cool. So yeah, this can go back in the box, and that box will look really good on anyone's shelf if you're collecting like I am. I'm blown away. So it looks like there's one more thing. I'm guessing that's probably the cheat sheet. Let's see. Oh no, there is a pile of like other things in here. What is this? Oh, it's like, this goes with the wand, and it says wand properties, cedar wood with dragon heartstring core, 9.72 inches, unyielding. All right, I guess we'll take a look at this. It says, welcome to Diagon Alley. Okay, so this is like Diagon Alley, and it has all the different shop names on it. Other side for information about the shops. Okay, cool. I think this is actually the cheat sheet, but it looks like a little like advertisement column in a newspaper. So, or like a flyer or something. So I'm gonna put that aside just in case that is, I believe that is the cheat sheet. Let's see what else we have in here. So it's just a series of little prints, it looks like. We have this artwork right here of Diagon Alley. And yeah, there you go. Very colorful, and it's just really fun artwork, I would say. I like it. And we have my first visit to Diagon Alley, like a little, like what you would do in like a photo booth with Hagrid and Harry in a photo booth. That's really clever. And I imagine if this were actually like in the magical world, it would be like moving. That's a really cool idea. So that's nice, and I believe that's a bookmark. So we can set that one aside. Oh, and then here, this is the instructions for that owl thing, the Owlmobile. So there were instructions in there, just not in the box or with it. It was at the bottom of this crate. So that's that. We have nothing else in here. That was really fun to open, guys. I really enjoyed that. And if you are wanting a subscription box with like really high quality stuff, and it looks like a lot of this stuff is probably licensed because they're using the name Diagon Alley, they're using imagery of Hagrid and Harry Potter and Hermione in this one. They're using the name Ollivanders on here, and Ilop's Emporium, and Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. So I would say this is probably a licensed box, but this is awesome. I'm gonna keep this box and I'm gonna put things in it. That's what I'm gonna do with this box. So let's take a look at the cheat sheet. And this is almost like another item because it's this side of the cheat sheet is like a poster for Diagon Alley, and then the other side is like advertisements. You could hang either one of these up on your wall, either side, and it would still look cool. This looks like advertisements, maybe from the Daily Prophet or just in, you know, a catalog for Diagon Alley. So let's take a look at what we had in the box. We already saw it all, but I just want to give credit where credit's due for anybody who did any of this design work or artwork. So the LitJoy Crate exclusive ice cream tea bags. This one was actually, looks like, created by Riddle's Tea Shop, a special blend inspired by the flavors of Harry's first ice cream cone in Diagon Alley. So that is at Riddle's Tea Shop if you want to check them out. And then we also have Ilop's Owl Emporium Candle Carousel. So that is a candle carousel. That's what it's for. I wasn't quite sure the purpose other than just looking really cool on your shelf, but I suppose you could burn a candle on this as well. So I believe this one was probably just something that was designed and in-house. I don't see where it is giving credit to anybody. This beautifying potion was actually designed in collaboration with Tim Buren. And on Instagram, that is @TimBuren. So if you want to check out any more of his work, that's where you can find him. The collectible spell coin was designed by @maggie.rose.studio on Instagram. And then the theme art print, this one was designed by @DavidEortu_illustration on Instagram. The Diagon Alley pins right here, or the Diagon Alley and Nocturne Alley pins right here, also designed by Maggie.rose.studio. The Harry Potter and Hagrid photo strip was designed by @Sarah Conradson on Instagram. The Weasley's Wizard Wheezes staff pin was designed by @JScottClawson on Instagram. The Ollivander's wand, which was probably my favorite thing in here, the wand was designed by LitJoy in-house, and the box art is by Katrina. That's @Katrina Book Designs on Instagram. It says this is an adorable three-toed tree toad, and this box was designed by artist Tim Buren, and that's another one by @TimBuren on Instagram. Man, I just really like this box. Okay, so favorites. I'm gonna say for sure the Ollivander's wand. It is a short wand, but it's really, really good quality. I love the marble that is embedded in the handle, and the box is just great quality. I'm also going to say the Ilops Owl candle holder, just because this is so cool. And you know what I just thought of? We used to have, when I was a kid, my mom had some things up in the window, and one of them was looked almost like a little light bulb type thing, and it had something in the middle of it, and when the heat from the sun would hit this light bulb thing, the inside thing would spin. I am almost 100% going to guarantee that that's what this does. If you put a candle here, the heat will come up and cause the owls to spin around. So this was my second favorite. Honestly, it might be my first favorite too. I'm gonna give it a tie to this and the wand, and then if I pick a third, wow, I don't know. I can't pick a third. Everything else in the box gets the third place slot, I would say. Especially this little guy. No, this little guy is awesome, but yeah, they all are equally amazing. So let me know what your favorite items were in this box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.